back, guys. We are on the lake after a monsoon today. A lot of water today. Probably a couple different inches and a few different rainstorms that came through today. Lots of water though. Water's kind of muddy. Surely the temperatures have gone down, but we're gonna do some bass fishing today, hopefully find some fish. I'm excited to be on the water. It's been a few days, so we'll see if we can catch anything. I'm just starting right off the boat dock here. Gonna flip some pontoons, fish up shallow a little bit, see if we can find some largemouth. Let's go. First cast. That is unbelievable. Didn't expect that, but we'll take it. First cast under the first boat. Okay, chill out, buddy. We're gonna get you back in no time. First cast, first boat. Exciting. A lot of pontoons today, so maybe we'll get lucky and get us a nice one. One down. Another one. Three pontoons now, 2 bass. That's a good start. That's actually a pretty insane start. And another one down, baby. Little guy, just a squeaker. Going down in size. Gotta find the big boys. Two of them hiding under that dock out there. That would have been the perfect situation for a fly. Would have loved to have the fly rod there. Left the fly rod at home today, unfortunately. 13, 14 incher. Beautiful. And down she goes. Wow. Little guys are biting. Not the right size. Not even close. But it's been a minute since we've had a hit, so. Some kind of dead fish here. If that's a perch, which I think it is, that is the biggest perch I've ever seen in my life. That is insane. That's probably 13 to a 14-inch perch. I mean, that is a pound and a half, maybe 2 pounds. I mean, it's enormous. It's the size of a big bass. Could be 15 inches. It's got to be at least 13 though. It's big. And he come back for it. Had a quick bite, lost him. Come back, snagged it up. Another one under the old pontoon. This guy looks like he's been nailed by a sandhill crane or a herring or something. Missing a little bit of the top fins. He stole my worm. And we're on, baby. Stay on. Just getting ready to move on, just letting it float down there. Another 12 incher. Cool. Just not getting much size. I've seen one nice bass in the shallows today, so I know there's a few up there, but haven't been able to connect with the big boys yet. When you're wacky rig fishing like I am, you just need a pretty light setup. You just throw in a medium rod here. That way I can flip it underneath the pontoons pretty easily. Got 10-pound Power Pro. It's pretty light stuff, but it works excellent. And then just a little 1/0 wacky rig hook and a 4-inch worm. Yum dingers, 4-inch watermelon pearl laminate, like I always say, works excellent. Don't switch it if it ain't broke. I know I don't own the lake, but man, wake boats make it really, really hard to fish. I mean, you can't even see half that guy's body because he is so deep down in there, and they're all the way hugging the shore, so I'm gonna get absolutely blasted over here. Lucky me. Here we go. Here come the big waves. Took the back of the boat so the front didn't slam as hard and hopefully keep water out of the boat. It's never the first wave, it's always like the third or fourth that really gets it. Looks like we're good here. If I'd have been in the front, it may have been questionable though. Running at me. And another 12-incher. I'm assuming all the big ones are, or most of them I should say, are down deep. Not big enough. It's not a complete micro fest, but these guys certainly ain't very large. Jesus criminy. I'm about to get freaking blasted again, probably into these people's boats. These waves are ridiculous. It's never the first one. There's the first one. There's the second. There's the third, and slam. Hope you guys enjoyed that little video. That was a pretty quick one. We were only here for like an hour and 15, hour and a half. We're getting absolutely blasted by wake boats every so often. They'll come through and just blow this boat to pieces. Just about getting water in it quite often, so rather than damage the boat and potentially fall in, I think we're just gonna start heading out. We did catch some fish tonight, some decent ones. 14, 15 inchers was the biggest, but a lot of them were at 12, 13. For some reason, the big ones aren't chewing tonight, the real big ones, but that's okay. It's still a great night out here. The wind's picked up a little bit. After that rain today we had, it was really, really low and it was beautiful, but sun's out now, but the sun also brought the wind. So we're gonna head back. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we will catch you on the next John boat to bass boat adventure. Peace.